नवीन यारो का यार एभली कहिसेंती वरिष्ठ सांबादिक पद्मभूषण शेखर गुप्ता। गतकाली नवीन निवास जाई मुख्यमंत्री को साक्षात करथिले शेखर गुप्ता एवं वरिष्ठ सांबादिक पद्मभूषण शेखर गुप्ता को हॉकी जर्सी भेटी देइछंती मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक। आसंता 24 तारिख भुवनेश्वर कलिंग स्टाडियम रे जूनियर हॉकी विश्वकप आयोजित होबाकु जाउछि। एथिपाई जर्सी प्रदान करिसेंती मुख्यमंत्री एवं विभिन्न प्रसंग रे राज्य सरकार और नवीन को प्रशंसा करिसेंती वरिष्ठ सांबादिक शेखर गुप्ता। से कहिसेंती ओडिशा रे निर्वाचन रोमांचकर।
I am not saying there is no entertainment, I am saying there is no uncertainty, right? So there is entertainment in every election has action, but when there is uncertainty, like in West Bengal there was uncertainty, right? Opinion polls were saying something else happened, different polls were saying different things, stakes were very high, election campaign was very bitter.
नकारात्मक कथा कहंतिनी नवीन।
You also have a situation where Odisha politicians, particularly your chief minister now, he does not say negative things about people that much. He is not abusive, right? So other people also don't abuse him. So that is the reason I am saying. Otherwise, but I am not saying it's a good thing that we have not travelled more in Odisha. We have to rectify it. That's the reason I said yes for this lecture also.
बंधुत्व को भल पांती नवीन।
Well, I've known him for a very long time. He's a very friendly person of a few words. He's also a yaro ka yar person. He respects his friends and friendships, and I think he has surprised us all with his political acumen. We never thought that he will do so well in politics, but he's done brilliantly in politics.
ओडिशा रे कमिछि दारिद्र्यता।
I need to travel in Odisha to see more transformation, but I know that a state which had so much crisis with poverty has much less of it now, because on many indicators Odisha is up. Odisha also has very good welfare schemes and very efficiently delivered welfare schemes. His patronizing of hockey, I think, is a national contribution, because hockey is a great game, and unlike cricket, hockey does not generate so much money, but it's because he adopted hockey. I think it was also a clever move, because hockey is not so expensive to adopt as, say, cricket would be. Cricket, you have to compete with BCCI and you have to bid so many $1 billion, but hockey was just sitting there, and he's adopted it, and Odisha is now the hockey capital of India.
ओडिशा बदलाइछि हॉकी रो भाग्य।
Yes, because Indian hockey has recovered, not just the bronze, but also our women got to last four, right? Last four for women was something that we had not thought of. And once you are in last four, anything can happen. So I'm looking forward to the two World Cups that will be played in Odisha now, the Youth World Cup and also the Senior World Cup, the Hockey World Cup, FIH World Cup. Well, I think it's one of his best moves. I say that as an Indian, and I say that as a hockey lover, that this was the best move. It was, as I said, it was national service of the highest order. And this just tells you how a medium-sized state, how much of a contribution can a medium-sized state make.
नवीन निवास जाई मुख्यमंत्री को साक्षात करिबा परे शेखर गुप्ता एभली मंतव्य रखिथिले। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, सनस्टार टीवी।